So how to active Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or 24 Ultra series. Go to your Google and make sure you have this Google apps. Normally by default you can see these apps, and if you don't have, just go to your Play Store and on search Google apps. This one I already have, so I don't need it. Just open these apps. Now log into with your any Gmail account, then go to your setting, and then you can see the Google Assistant. Press on Google Assistant, then scroll down, then you can see the general option. Press on general option. Now Google Assistant, just enable it. If you want to disable it, then you can also disable it. Now go back again, then you can see the another option, Hey Google, or and voice match. So you have to enable it. Hey Google. Now let's check. Hey Google, take a screenshot.
Okay, taking a screenshot.
Hey Google, open flashlight.
Turning torch on.
Okay, that's it. So hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.